In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Zillow. Whether you're moving to a new email provider or simply updating your contact details, I'll guide you through the process step by step. For those of you using the Zillow website or desktop version, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zillow account using your preferred web browser. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the account settings. You might see this listed as Profile or simply as Settings. Keep an eye out for buttons or links that say Edit or Settings, as these are your gateways to making changes to your profile. Once you're in the account settings area, look for the section related to your email address. This is sometimes labeled as email or email address, so look carefully through the available options. Here, you're going to enter the new email address that you want associated with your account. Be sure to type it in correctly. You don't want to lock yourself out of your account by entering the wrong information. Now, some security measures may be in place at this step. Don't be surprised if you're asked to re-enter your password to confirm your identity. This is an added layer of protection to ensure that you're the one making changes to your account. In certain cases, Zillow may also send a verification email to your new address. Check your inbox for any messages that require action to complete the process. If you see a prompt to verify, just follow the instructions provided and you'll be all set. Once you've made the necessary updates, remember to save your changes. This is crucial, as failing to save will mean your new email address won't be registered with your account. Look for a Save button. Sometimes it's easy to overlook, but it's often located at the bottom of the settings page. Additionally, it's worth noting that Zillow has a privacy portal where you can manage personal data, including your name and email. If at any point you're looking to make more substantial changes or corrections, this privacy portal can be a useful resource. And there you have it. You now know how to update your email address on Zillow's desktop website. This process keeps your account information current and ensures you receive all communications at the right address. If you have further questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to explore Zillow's help resources online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Make sure to stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials in our upcoming videos.